So you probably know what Amazon is, but did you know that you can make money from Amazon by promoting their products? Show me the money! Stick around and I'm gonna show you. Hey, what's up guys? Cody here with Cyber Geek Knowledge. Thanks so much for checking out the channel today. Today we are going to show you exactly how to promote products utilizing the Amazon platform as an associate. Stick around to the very end because I do walk you through step per step and I show you how to promote it on your social media accounts. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button just so that you're aware every time we come out with new content. Hope you're ready. Buckle up guys and let's go. Just a quick little overview. I know this is kind of going to be a little redundant. Most of you probably do already know, but what is Amazon? Okay, Amazon.com. It's an American multinational technology company based in Seattle, Washington, which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Basically, it's an online platform or an online store or a marketplace on steroids. That's pretty much what Amazon is. Now, what is the Amazon Associates program? Okay, what is the affiliate program for them? And the Amazon Associates program is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world that helps content creators, publishers, and website owners monetize their traffic. Not only do associates earn commission on products that they refer to traffic, but they may also earn on the products their readers may purchase on Amazon. Now, if none of this is making sense to you just yet, just hang with me, it definitely will. Now, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is and have no idea what I'm talking about, go check out my channel, go check out my other videos. I do have some walkthroughs on those that'll get you up to speed, and then come back to this one. Other than that, guys, let's get going on this. Alright guys, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and go over here to Amazon.com, obviously, right? If you haven't signed up for an Amazon account, definitely do that. I would, you know, you don't necessarily have to have an Amazon Prime, but definitely sign up for an Amazon account. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down to the very, very bottom and come down to here where it says underneath Make Money With Us. Go ahead and click on Become an Affiliate. When you click on this, it's going to bring you to this screen. Actually, it's going to bring you into a login screen or a sign-up screen. Go ahead and sign up. All right, guys, so after you do create your affiliate Amazon account and you log into it, once you click on the home screen, you're going to be brought in here. This is your dashboard. In here, you'll be able to go through total items shipped, total earnings, the total ordered items that people have ordered from your links, the total amount of clicks that you've gotten on those links, and the total amount of conversions. This is a new account. It's only gotten 34 links just because I've set this up and done a couple examples for people. No purchases yet. Once you start getting purchases, you will start to see these come up, and these little green dots will be up here. But just to kind of run you through it, on the product linking, you have product links here. You can go in there and look up certain items that are on Amazon that you want to promote, and it will attach it to your affiliate link. I'll show you how to do that. Banners, what it does is if you own a blog or if you have a website or anything like that, you can actually tie these items or certain items into a banner link and then have a banner ad on your website so that people can click and then go over to it. Native shopping ads, you can go on to other places and post ads. Mobile pop over and link to any page. That's really some other stuff. I'm not even going to get into that and start confusing people with all of that. What I really want to show you is the basics of affiliate marketing with Amazon and how to promote these products. Now, what's awesome about this, guys, is that, and I'm going to show you, we're going to jump into it here in a minute, but what I want to explain with you is once you do get this affiliate link, and if you look right up here where it says store up here and it says C Coconut 05-20, that right there is my affiliate link. So what I'm going to show you here in a minute is how to create your links. But what we'll do is, and there's two ways to create an affiliate link for Amazon products. Okay, you go to product links here. This is the first way, where it says allamazon.com, and you can actually search right here. So I can search a keyword. We'll say, I don't know, dog leash. I don't know. I don't even know if I spelled that right. But we can look up dog leash. It'll think for a minute, and then boom, it pulls up all these things from Amazon. So what's awesome is we can actually promote these products. So say we go through here, and I'm like, okay, I like this leash. It looks cool. Well, let's get this link. So I can click on this. Now I can either do this really long link, which I personally don't like. They don't look very professional. They don't look very good. But I did want to show you this long link for a reason. Right here where you can see C Coconut 05-20, on your link, it's going to have whatever your username ID is. It's going to have that implemented right there. That way you know that's your cookie for anytime somebody clicks on that link, it's going to track back to you. Now what you can actually do is you can go over here and hit shorten link, and now you've got a shorter link. So if I copy this and then I go into the next tab and I just hit paste and go, as you see up here, my tag equals, and that right there is my username. So if somebody was to click on this and then buy and purchase, it's going to give me a commission. It's going to cookie that. A second way to get your Amazon affiliate link is if you are not in the Amazon Associate dashboard, but if you want to just go to Amazon.com after you've signed up as an associate and you've signed up with their Amazon account, up here, instead of just the typical blue Amazon Prime delivery to whoever, you're going to see a secondary bar. It's going to say Amazon Associate Site Stripe. You're going to say Get Link, Text Image, Text Plus Image, Native Shopping Ads Custom, Share on Facebook and Twitter, and so on. This right here is your new affiliate system. So you can actually go into the search bar and search up any items that you want. For this example, like we did last time, let's just do dog leash. And we'll look that up. And what do you know? Look, that's the one that we were going to promote. What if we click on this? So once we click on the item, what you want to do now that we've got the item that we just looked up, then you want to come up here and you want to either click on text. Once you click on this, it'll drop down right here. This right here is your shortened link. You can get the full link if you want, but like I said, I do prefer the short link. Most people do. Next thing you can do is you can click on image, and this will pick a small, medium, or a large image, and it's going to have all of this. It's also going to have all of the copy content right here. This will copy, and you can copy and paste that into your website. The next thing that you can do is a text plus the image, basically where you have this entire ad right here showing up on your website. But for the most part, I typically tell people just to do this because it's easier. It's the same process. You copy this link, and if you paste it and go, and anybody clicks on this, again, it will be tied in with your affiliate link on this. So here's the awesome part of this. Most of the time, people go to Amazon and they don't just typically buy one thing. Typically, they shop around and get a couple of things. Well, if they buy this and they add it to their cart because they got it off of my link, and then they decide to go buy a $1,500 TV, you get credit for everything in their cart because you brought them to Amazon. That's kind of cool, right? So that's definitely the exciting part. That's where a lot more of the money comes in. So now we've shown you Amazon affiliates. We've shown you how to get a product. We've shown you how to set up a link and get an affiliate link. Now, how do you get traffic to it? How do you get people to purchase? Well, there's a couple ways. So one way that we can do it is through Facebook. I personally, I've done this. I've done this a lot, actually. When I first started out making commissions and doing side hustles online, this is what started me out making good commissions. And I did pretty good. I'm not going to lie. No, let's go back here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm over here clicking around. I'm trying to lower my screen real quick. So what you can do is you go up to Facebook, right? And then you can just type in, say, dogs. And we're looking for groups, okay? So we definitely want to click on groups. And you see all these groups right here, Dog Lovers Community with 34,000. Dogs Make Me Smile at 217,000 members, okay? And guys, keep in mind, you can do this with any product, any niche, anything like that. I'm just using dogs for an example because everybody loves dogs. It's an easy sell point, and it's a way to do it without being spammy. So now that we've got our link to our awesome dog leash that we just want to get out there and promote, and we want to make a commission on that, well, how do we do it? Well, what I would do is I would go to groups that are affiliated with whatever product that you're trying to promote. So for this dog leash, we looked up dog groups. I would go add myself to all these groups, 217,000 people, 34,000, 238,000 members. And then once you do add yourself and then you do get approved to these groups, what you can do is you can go in here and make a post. And all you say is, you say something like, thinking about getting this for Fifi or whatever your dog's name is. What do you guys think? Would you guys buy this for your pet? And that's as simple as you put it. You throw that out there, you paste your affiliate link out there, and you'd be amazed with how much sales you can get. Another way that I've done this before in the past is doing the exact same thing, but without going through the groups, just going on to whatever social media platform that you have, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, anything at all, and you can literally just make a post right here. And check this out. I can paste that right there and say, Karma is getting I can't spell today, getting a new leash. would you guys, buy this for your pet? What are your thoughts? And what it's going to do is it's going to drive them over. They're going to click on that. That's going to show interest. They're going to click on that. It's going to go to Amazon. Now, they may buy that product and you get a commission. That's awesome. And they may not. But say they go in there and they look at that and they're like, oh, I like that. Click. I'm going to add that to cart. And then what happens is then they get an offer on the checkout page that says, oh, look at this item. Since you bought this item, what do you think about this item? We'd also like, people often buy these items together. And then that's an upsell for you. That's an opportunity that automatically happens on the back end that Amazon's doing. You get a commission if they go for those upsells. So it's definitely a win-win, guys. It's the same thing. You can even go to a Pinterest. You can create a Pinterest account and then go in there and create a business account if you'd like, and then go in there and add a pin. It's really that easy, guys. Literally find, add pin, create. You can find a little picture. You could literally go out and get a dog picture of, say, a dog with a leash, right? Dog with leash. Boom. And then we'll just save that real quick. And then you come back over to Pinterest, add this picture in that we just downloaded. Tell everyone what your pen is about, right? So, amazing, I don't know, dog leash. Obviously, make it more appealing than that. I definitely would. You can add alternative text to kind of explain what it is. I'm not going to do that, but you can type a little story. You've got up to 500 characters. I do suggest that you use them because you can get further with your tags and things like that. Oh, I'm sorry. This actually does not go here. Cut that. That actually goes on your title. This is where you want to tell everyone what your pen is about. You do have up to 500 characters, and then this you can explain what people can see in the pen. These are where you want to do tags, things like that. And then here you can actually add your destination. So we go back in where we had our link. We're going to copy that, go back into Pinterest. We're going to paste that. And I'm not going to hit save for this example, but then you would hit save. Now, this isn't going to make you a ton of money right up front, obviously, with time. But after a while of doing this repetitively and you starting to build up the following, you will start to get sales. It will start to increase. And like I said, guys, you can get these links. You can promote any products from Amazon, get those links the exact same way that I showed you. And you can go out to any social media platform and do this for free. Like I said, it's an easy way to do it for free. You can go to a TikTok and go promote these items and put those links in your bio. You can put them on Facebook. You can put them on your YouTube descriptions. You can put it in your Pinterest. You can put it anywhere you want. Like I said, this is just a really easy way to make a few extra bucks utilizing something that everybody is already utilizing. So I hope that this was beneficial. I hope that this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, you guys always feel free to drop a comment below, or you can always join my private Facebook group, which I always offer one-on-one free training, get a little more personal, get a little more detailed with the walkthrough steps, and I will post that description in the link below. But guys, other than that, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to check this video out, and I hope you guys can subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.